That's what I did in 1995. When I flew in 2001, it really wasn't much better. In 95, we didn't even have digital photography, so it was all film. And it's only within the last couple of years that we have had good enough connectivity on the space station that we can get some real-time communication going at the digital level. And the way we do it is we bounce it off geostationary satellites, and NASA has several of them, the TDRS satellites, Tracking and Data Relay System satellites. And there's a funny thing, actually, there's a few of them staged around the world, but they don't cover the entire world. There's a little ellipse over the Indian Ocean where they don't cover it. So if you're working in mission control, you wait until the space station goes over that ellipse, because that's when you can go to the bathroom. It's the only time when you can't talk to the space station. So everybody in mission control runs out and goes to the bathroom as the space station goes through the ellipse over the Indian Ocean. But anyway, so our signals go up off the TDRS satellite, they come down to White Sands, New Mexico, and then I think it gets bounced off another one up to Goddard, and then back down to White Sands, and landline into Houston. And then in Houston, it's tied in to sort of a mirror computer that's sitting on the ground there, and then that allows me direct access to the internet. A little slow and pretty shaky, and only when we have a TDRS link, so maybe, I don't know, 50% of the time. But we actually did a significant KU upgrade while I was there, and I got to where you can almost stream YouTube video now when you have the link on station. So it's pretty amazing that if you wanted to spend your 6 months watching whatever it is you want to watch on YouTube, whenever I'm watching YouTube, somehow I get about 8 or 9 things into it. Something like watching Slovakian tennis players, and I don't know how did I ever end up over here? I don't even know these people's names, but anyway, you could do that on space station if you wanted. But then, so that's how I used it, and I used Twitter to transmit, of course, but I also used it to interact. And I could watch people's stuff coming in real time and respond, and that was a really good mutual learning experience. And there is such a haiku elegance in the absolute necessity of the way that you do it. It keeps the verbose from dominating, and it allows the poetic to dominate. So I think it's a really good design.
Yeah, absolutely.